That's great. Okay, so that's not too long. Oh my gosh. What are you doing? What is it doing? Oh my gosh! Golly, that little sucker's moving. Look at that! Oh my god, this is so cool! Five minutes left. It's like making some type of design on the inside too. I don't know what it is. It's like a... It's like a diamond design on the inside. Oh my gosh, this may be the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life. Oh no. This may be my new thing. 4 minutes left. Like, I understood the basic concept of how 3D printers work, but I really didn't get it until I saw it just now. And now that I see it, I'm like, yeah, that's like super obvious, you would think. 35% complete. See, look, it gives you a little like 36% complete, 4 minutes left. It's got a nice little cool menu on it. Alright, let's see if I can get a little closer here. It is, it's a diamond design. Oh, that's so cool. You can literally see each line it puts down, and then it comes back and it puts a fine tone on it and blends it in with the previous lines. So look, there's the line, and it comes back and it's gone. It's disappeared. It's blended in perfectly. There's a line, and it blended. Boom. Wow, that is fantastic. 51% complete. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. I'm gonna make all kinds of crazy designs. And it's been 4 minutes because it had a 6-minute start time job. So 4 minutes. And it's built like, I want to say, it's like what? A quarter, maybe 3/8 of an inch. I mean, you know, for building something from nothing with just, you know, melted plastic, that's pretty quick. I think this specific one, because it's the Adventurer 5M from FlashForge, I believe this one has a 600 mm per second. So 600 millimeter per second, I guess? I don't know. I honestly am not sure. I kind of bought this on a whim, and I've been wanting to get one for a while just to play around with, but this past weekend I was like, yeah, why not? Let's waste some more of my money. Fantastic. And then I threw down the $350 needed to buy it. But I did get a deal on it. I saved like $50, if that makes any difference whatsoever. Alright, 75% complete. I cannot wait to see my cube. See, when I saw the picture, I thought it was going to make a solid cube, right? And I was thinking, that's going to take so much filament. I don't know how it's going to do that. But then I see how it does it. It still makes the cube, and it's still structurally sound by creating the honeycomb design on the inside. Pretty intelligent. Whoa, whoa. Oh, look at that. It's making the top. It's making the top. Oh my gosh, look at it. Oh, now it's going diagonally. Ooh, boy. Oh man, oh my gosh. Oh, now it's going diagonally the other way. Oh, it's going a little more smoother now. A little slower and more deliberate. Yes. Oh, it's very artistic. I can see this now. Yes, look at that. All right, what's next? Oh, that's 100%. Printed time completed. 6 minutes. That is so cool.